Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Srinivasan .NET developer. We are looking into Entity Framework tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fetch the first and last row of the table using Entity Framework statement. Okay, so we have a table called students and we have four students in the four rows in the student rows in the students table and so in SQL Server, so we can easily fetch the first row like sorry top. That's it. So this is the simple query to fetch the first row from the table using SQL Server query. And if you want to fetch the last row of the table, so we need to order um, the student ID by descending. It's okay. So now as you can see, we just fetched the last row. Okay, because whenever we order the rows in descending order, the last row will become a first row, right? So that's why I ordered the student ID column. So okay, so yeah, let's see how to write the equivalent entity framework statement to fetch the first and last row from the table. So we have a context class here. So see row, and we are working on students table. And now, so we have a method called first or default. Okay, so I'll explain both methods and the functionalities of first or default methods. Okay, so now we are going to use the first method to get the first row. Sorry. So as you can see, so we just fetched the first row from the students table using first method. So yeah, then why do we have first or default method here? We have first or default method because if the table has no rows, we will get the error when we use only a first method. Okay, when we use the first or default method, if the table has rows, it will fetch the first row, otherwise it will give the null in the result. It's okay. So yeah, so this is how you can fetch the first row from the table. And for last row, so we have a method um, we have method in the entity framework statement called lost method, but we will get error. Yeah, because link to entities does not recognize the method. It's okay, which means this method is not supported to get the lost row from the database table. Okay, so now, so let's see what happen if we use lost or default method. You will get the same result, right? You will get the error, I think. Yeah, so we are getting error because for database tables this method will not work to fetch the last row, the last um, you know the last value from the sequence. And for that, so we need to use the same method what we already done in the SQL server. So in the same way I'm going to write the entity framework statement to get the last row, right? So now I'm going to order the student ID, sorry, and now first or default, that's it. So now we are getting, we got the last row in the result. As you can see, the student ID is 4, right? We have the same result, sorry, we have the same result here, as you can see. So this is how you can fetch the first and last row of the table using entity framework statement. I hope you understand the tutorial video, and if you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you. In the next video I'll come up with a different topic of entity framework tutorials. Thank you, friends.